Hey guys, this is RG, ignore my hand, and welcome to episode 1 of the Brooklyn Nets rebuilding. I am sorry about the quality. We're going to start off the season here against the Boston Celtics. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so guys, one goal we're going to have here is to make some good trades and get some prospects or something. Oh! There's a slam, guys, and we're getting going now. And there's our first foul of the game. Yeah, so he hits the first, so let's see if we can get this ball back if he misses here. And he'll hit it, so. Alright, so the Celtics get another chance at the line here. Horford, he actually missed one. And the Nets get the steal. See what we can do on the fast break. He gets fouled, and we're going to take our first shot to the line. Hopefully the Nets can capitalize here. Booker will miss the first. And we got this game within 3. Oh! Steal. Fast break. Can't capitalize. And there we go, boys. We hit our first 3 of the game. And the Nets tie it. And now the Celtics take the lead there on that three-pointer by Green. Oh. And Hollis Jefferson hits a nice shot there. And he'll put Brooklyn up ahead here. Pick it up. And oh, he slams it down. And the Nets take the lead. See, he shoots a buzzer beater and he misses. And the Celtics are down by 1 coming into the second quarter. Alright guys, so we're now starting the second quarter. And the Celtics will start with the ball. And the Celtics get the steal. And they're going to get the easy layup on the fast break. They take the lead. And he'll hit. And off the missed 3, they get the rebound, and he slams it down. Brook Lopez. Oh, and Brook Lopez puts it down in. He gives the Nets. Puts the Nets down by 2. Right, so anyway, guys, so here's the plan I have for the Brooklyn Nets. So we're going to try to get some draft picks, because I really don't think our team really is developed well. So the goal here is to build a dynasty, obviously, rebuild a team. which we have some talent. You can't take that away. But some talent can be turned into draft picks. Because some talent is not good enough. Now, this is sort of like the 76ers plan, only we're not trading everything that breathes. Okay, yeah, and once again we missed the shot right in the middle of my thing, just to make me annoyed. So, another thing, the way I'm going to play games is I'm going to play about 2 games out every week of the season or so. Between 1 and 2, depending on, especially early 2. And then, good job, guys. Alright. So, yeah, and then we're going to follow the off-season a lot more than everything else. Oh, and what a shot. So, hopefully we can build the Brooklyn Nets into a slightly successful team this season. Maybe win 15 games. I mean, compared to the fact that they're 9-44 right now. They're 9-44 right now, so not good. Garbage. So we're going to try to make their simulated version of themselves. Alright, now as the clock ticks down on the half, here we're just going to play the game of pass the ball around here. And Brook Lopez gets his 3rd personal foul. That's right, 3 personal fouls in the first half. Just to put our hopes on thin ice. Also, I forgot to say we're running 5-minute quarters here on this. And we're coming into halftime now. Score, Celtics 25, Brooklyn Nets 21. Also, guys, next thing I want to talk about here is I am sorry about the quality. I don't have the tech skills to do this and still have a mic off the PS4 here. And this, yeah, we actually had a shot. So, for you guys watching, if you've watched this far, I am sorry about the quality here. I mean, maybe you're just a diehard Nets fan, which, in that case, congrats on not being a bandwagon fan, like me. I'm not a Nets fan, but I'm not a fan of a good team either. So, anyways, hope you like this series. And now the game is now within 3 with that shot. And the Nets bring it in within 1. And they slam it down. The Nets bring it back within 3. With 19 to go in the 3rd. As the clock winds down. Here we go. Nets are playing tight defense on him. He shoots at the end. He's going to chuck it down, and the Nets can't hit it. So at the end of 3, the Boston Celtics lead the Brooklyn Nets 34-31. Alright, so the Nets are going to start the ball out here in the 4th quarter. They're going to walk it up the floor. And that 3 ties the game. Oh, and the Nets go on the fast break. He slams it down, and the Nets take the lead. The Nets with the steal. Here he comes to Booker. Booker slams it down. The Nets take the lead. Trevor Booker, 16.7 for 11, 8 rebounds, and 1 block. And the Celtics take the lead. Booker slams it down. The Nets take the lead. 1:03 to go. Booker's getting tired. And the Celtics slam it down here. With less than a minute left, the Nets are going to have to try to minimize the turnovers, which have been rampant tonight. He gives it to Booker. Booker, back to Kilpatrick, drills the three. And Boston needs a timeout. They're down by 2 with 43 seconds on the clock. And the Celtics hit a 3 on their inbound, and they take the lead. This game is going to come down to the wire. The Nets take it up. Pass to Booker. Booker to Lopez. Bogdanovic. Dinwiddie takes the lead. 23 on the clock. 49-48 Brooklyn Nets. And now after the timeout, the Brooklyn Nets and the Celtics are going to have an interesting ending here. 49-48. 23 seconds on the clock. We'll see. The fans are on their feet. Thomas shoots a shot. He misses! They're gonna foul here now. And now, and Dinwiddie goes in for the shot, but they foul him. And he puts the game 1 possession away. And the Nets are in bonus now. And Dinwiddie makes it a 3-point game. No way for the Celtics to win. They'll call their final timeout. 51-48 Brooklyn Nets. Now, with 16 left, the Celtics are going to have to pull a miracle here. And Booker slams it down. They can't foul him in time. The Nets are going to win their first game. And now, the Brooklyn Nets win their first game of the season, 53-48, against their rivals, the Boston Celtics. And that's our first game. That is a wrap of that one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. RG signing out.